who can test your app, learn the difference between internal tester and external testers, and how to manage them effectively on test flight. So let's get started the video. So first of all, what is test flight? In test flight is the Apple official platform that lets developer to test iOS app before publishing on the App Store. It helps you to test your app safely, find bugs early, get feedback from real users, and uh, other stuff. All so there are two type of testers, internal tester and external tester. I will also drop a PDF file link so you can test in detail. I'm just highlighting the needs. So internal tester are those who already added your developer team, in which you have already invited like your friend, your developer or company employees. So these must have an Apple ID and make sure that those persons are already added in user and permission section. So internal tester you can test as soon as the app is uploaded by developer on the test flight. So they can test within few seconds. Rest of the stuff, the external tester are anyone outside of your developer team, like public unknown users, anonymous user, like that one. So this limit is up to 10,000 external tester. So for that, after the developer upload a build on the test flight, then the Apple team has need to be review your app, and then they will approve the app. After the approval, then you can use a link or give a link to your person or team or anyone. They will just simply click on that link, okay, and they can get the app for testing or this type of stuff. So if you need to get in detail, I will also add a link of this PDF in the description. I will also try to add an explanation video link in the description too, so hopefully you understand, because right now this course is very basic, so you can learn the basics and also the advanced things. So that's it in this video. Hopefully you find this video helpful. See you in the next videos.